Take a ride in the 2017 Lincoln MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, backup camera, power liftgate, remote start, traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, CD player, heated front seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.